Hello guys, this is Mohammed Faisal and today we will talk about bottom sheets, and as we have already discussed about persistent bottom sheet, and today we will gonna learn about model bottom sheet, that how the bottom sheet works. So let me just show you a quick demo of persistent bottom sheet and model bottom sheet. This is our persistent bottom sheet example which we have already done in the previous tutorial. So as you can see that there are, we can open and close, but the sheet is appearing on the device. But in when we click on model bottom sheet, as you can see that we didn't, the dialog is not appearing on the screen. It will be hidden always. Okay, so uh, the callbacks and the callbacks and the states are the same. These states and this callback is same for model bottom sheet 2. Just model bottom sheets uses the bottom sheet dialog class for you for using the behavior of model bottom sheet. Okay, which I will gonna show you that how you can use this, uh, how you can create with the model bottom sheet using bottom sheet dialog, or you can also use bottom sheet dialog fragment. So let's just quick start with the creating a model bottom sheet. I'm going to create another layout file. Yeah, this is just a demo to show you that how you can how the model bottom sheet behaves. So let me just first quick close these applications. Okay, and let's get started with our Android Studio. As you can see that this is our persistent bottom sheets tutorials part. So you can go and watch that one. Okay, go to your main activity file. You can if you are beginner, you can just watch. This is an this will be an easy tutorial. So it will be in text for model bottom sheet id. Let's close this one. So id will be model bottom model bottom sheet button. Okay, okay, this is fine. Store caps false. Okay, okay, copy this id and just come to your main activity file. Just space the same, as now we need to find the id. So find view by id dot id dot I. Okay, this is our uh, model bottom sheet for. So now we just need to set on click listener on this button, new on click listener. Okay, so this is it from main activity side. Now we need to create, I'm gonna create a separate file for model bottom sheet. So let me let me just create an layout file. So gonna give it a name as dialog model bottom sheet. Okay, so I'm gonna use it as relative layout. Okay, so first let me get my resources first. So uh, I have my resources already, so you can use your own. Okay, so I think we need to open this. Now come to Android Studio, paste it in durables. Okay, this is fine. The files are successfully got the files. So now let's just create an layout. So here we will gonna use card view match parent, web content. I'm just gonna creating a layout for a model bottom sheet quickly. So 10 dp background will be Android white, linear layout, match parent, web content. Okay, so orientation will be vertical first, and the padding will be 20 dp, and then I'm going to create a view. Sorry, this is not needed. Let me just set the text. I'm going to create an text. So file actions. I'm going to give it a name as file actions. I'm going to create a file explorer kind of activity dialog here. So gravity center, text size will be 16 dp, text color will be black, text style will be bold. Okay, this is fine here. Now we just need to create some layouts. So linear layout, match parent, web content. Okay, and its orientation will be horizontal. Okay. Margin top will be, just set it to 20. Okay, this is fine. And now we need to create relative layout, which will be uh, 0 dp, then set it to web content. Yeah, pass weight 1. Okay, okay, this is fine. Now we need to create an drawable file for, okay, no, we're not doing for that. Okay, so image view, it will be around 50 dp. 50 dp. I'm just gonna create in whiting. So set it to the linear layout, and its gravity will be center. Okay, so this will be in, sorry, okay, it's not getting this folder icon. What's the issue? Copy icon is here, but the, okay, there are some issues with this icon, folder icon. Okay, I don't know why it is behaving like that. So let me just use copy icon here and set it to 40. Set it to 40. Okay, now we just need to type text, copy, set it to orientation to vertical. Okay, margin from will be 5 dp, text style will be bold, size will be 14 dp. Okay, this is fine. So here I'm just going to give it an ID as a copy linear layout. Okay, so now we just need to copy this one. Okay, so just save icon here, type save, save, and third one, delete. delete icon here, delete icon here, delete name. Okay, this is fine. And if you want to copy this thing again, so okay, this I think this is fine. This is fine. Okay, so now let's just go back to our project directories and come back to your click on the package name, your app package name, and create an class model bottom sheet. Okay, okay, this is fine. So now we just need to create a public static model bottom sheet here and set it to set model bottom sheet. We need context here. So context. So now we need to create bottom sheet dialog. Set dialog equal new bottom sheet dialog. Just pass context and set a view to set content view, which will be a dialog. Okay, this is sorry. We need to pass the layout file. I forgot. So just type dialog bottle sheet. Okay, this is it. And now we can just simply type dialog dot uh, show. So it will be shown. There is no issue. So now we need to just type return model bottom sheet. Yeah, we can also set it to void. There is no issue. Okay, so now we need to just find our linear layouts. So copy linear layout one. Now type dialog dot find view by id dot id dot copy linear layout. Okay, because we have only three views here. So click on save, copy, paste, and for the third one, can copy the delete id. Okay, so now we just need to set on-click listeners on this. So copy linear layout dot set on-click listener new on-click listener. Okay, and copy this one, paste, paste, delete, save, delete, and we just need to make the toast here. So create a toast here. So type clicked. You can perform any action here. I'm just showing a toast here. Okay, so type save, and here it will be delete. Okay, so now you can also set a action, some configurations here. Dialog dot set like is cancelable or not set. It is for the set cancellation outside touch on outside. You can set it to false if you don't want to dismiss the dialog while clicking outside of the dialog. So yeah, yeah, set it to false. You can set it to true also. Set, okay, on backpress. Okay, this is for if you want to use the on backpress cancellation. Okay, so now we just need to go to the main activity file, type model bottom sheet dot show model bottom sheet. Just add this. Okay, main activity dot this. Okay, so now let me just quickly run this application. You can watch, as I told you, that you can watch persistent bottom sheet for showing as there are some other methods too to show sheets like you can use bottom sheet dialog fragment, you can use bottom sheet dialog, and you can also use persistent bottom sheet if you want to. Okay, so let's click on the model bottom sheet here. As you can see that our file actions, and I click on copy, delete, and save. Okay, so thank you for watching. If you like the video, please do like, share, and comment your queries.